3, 2, 1. Look, your penis is gonna die. If we wait much longer, I'll be forced to amputate it. That's what the doctor said to me that night as I sat there on the ER table with the pants around my ankles, nurses giggling, and with a purple heart on that pointed to the sky. And this was, without question, the most humiliating part of my life, and it's a story that I rarely share. But today, as mortifying as it is, I feel you have to hear it. Because if you or anyone you know is suffering with any erection problems, you'll want to listen to every word, as this is the most unusual story of how I discovered the answer to naturally eliminating any form of erectile dysfunction, getting hard and staying hard when you want, and giving you lasting power that leaves women awestruck. Because contrary to what people have told you, it's not age. It's not low testosterone, and it's not diabetes. It's not any medication that you're on, and it's not just poor circulation that's causing it. And after you see what I have to say, you'll discover what the true cause of ED is and turn it around, and be able to dive right into the sack and do it over and over and over as many times as you want, and all without any drugs, devices, or nasty side effects. So what I'm about to share with you can't be found anywhere else, I know, because I've looked. I'm Brad Stevens. Before you watch this entire presentation and take in everything I need to share, before you believe what I tell you, you'll want to take note of the true reason why every supposed solution out there to weak or short-lived or non-existent erections is doomed to fail. Those who stay to the very end are the only ones who will have the only answer to getting hard on demand, and it lies in only one thing: unraveling and eliminating the 2 erection killers that I'll be telling you about here in just a moment. So, how did sitting in the ER that night help me find the holy grail of male virility? Well, it all started a few years ago on Valentine's Day. The missus and I had planned a romantic evening, and we had a special reason to celebrate. I'd finally gotten a promotion that I'd worked for years to get. And the dinner was great, and the tension was building up all night and all the way into the bedroom. But after we got undressed and the moment came, then nothing. The harder I tried to get it up, the worse it got. And my wife, Angela, bless her heart, she was supportive and kind about it. She knew what a blow to my ego this was, and she did everything she could to let me know that it was all right. But it really got to me. But I mean, over the last few years, I noticed that I'd lost my libido and I wasn't in the mood as much. And when Angie and I did it, I noticed that it was taking longer to get it up, or sometimes I just wouldn't be as hard as I normally was. And recently, I was having more and more episodes of not being able to get hard at all. I didn't really think much about it. I just thought, it's just stress, or it's just some strange phase or something. But now, after a few months with 100% limpness, something about tonight made me surrender to the simple fact and said, Brad, you have a problem, and it's not going to go away on its own, I told myself. Yet part of me was still not ready to say those 2 words, erectile dysfunction. I remember a time I told myself, I can't imagine having that. That'll never happen to me. I mean, that was something that those other guys got. But reality sunk in. I was one of those other guys now.
I changed my life completely by using the system. Please do yourself a favor and try it out. I know you'll be amazed.